Certain accrual journals were not reversed in next non-adjusting accounting period, and user was expecting that those journals should have been reversed in the next non-adjusting accounting period. It was month end, and user want to know as to why system did not create those reversal entries for those accrual entries in the next non-adjusting accounting period. We continued our research and found the solution. I will talk about the solution in this video. This is Arvind Varganti, and you are watching Oracle EBS and Fusion Videos channel. So as usual, we started with our troubleshooting steps. So first, we'll ask the user if he is facing this issue only with the specific accrual journal or all the accrual journals. And the user mentioned that he is facing this issue for all the journals which are created with this specific journal category of accrual. And then ask the user if this journal category which is used in this journal was ever used in the past, and user confirmed that he used the journal category of accrual many times in the past, and he did not face this issue in the past. And then we verified auto reversal criteria and set which is assigned to the ledger. Auto reversal criteria set looks good, and it has the proper default reversal method and default reversal period set properly for the journal category of accrual. And we verified if the concerned next non-adjusting accounting period was in either open or future enterable status in both primary and second ledgers. And as expected, they are in future enterable periods, which looks good. And then we asked the user to share the output file of the auto reversal program. Unfortunately, the output of the auto reversal program did not provide us any clue, or it do not have any kind of error message. It just that like it did not list any of these eligible journals, or it did not even throw any kind of an error message in the output file. So and then we continued our analysis, and at last we found the solution for that. But before I get into the exact solution for this, first of all, let me replicate this in our current test environment, and then show you how we have resolved the issue. Okay, now let me get into Oracle Fusion environment. Okay, in my current example, Reliance USD is my ledger. Let me just navigate to the ledger setup, which is specify ledger options, and show you the auto reversal criteria set. And then we can get into the auto reversal criteria set to understand the options, whatever we have set up for general category of accrual. So let me get into the setup and maintenance, and then navigate to the task, specify ledger options. Okay, looks like this environment is a little bit slow today. Okay, under functional area, general ledger, let me search for manage or other specify ledger options. Yeah, I have the specify ledger options. So this specify ledger option involves a scope. So for all those configurations which requires a scope, it's better to check for those things from the screen instead of going for the global search. Let me click on this once again. Not sure why it's taking so long. Okay, under specify ledger options, you can see this is my auto reversal criteria. So my auto reversal criteria set is Reliance PL auto reversal criteria. This is my auto reversal criteria set associated with my ledger, Reliance USD ledger. Now let me navigate to the auto reversal criteria set, manage journal reversal. And within this journal reversal criteria set, all the existing general categories would be listed. Now our focus should be only on the general category of accrual. Manage general reversal criteria set, and within this let me search for my reversal criteria. So this is my auto reversal criteria set which I have assigned to my ledger. So let me open this and then search for the general category of accrual and check the default reversal method. So if I search for accrual, just say enter. Here I should be able to see
Someone was detected at the front door.
It should be switch debit or credit is the reversal method, and the automatic reversal options is reverse automatically. So you have options reverse automatically, reverse and post automatically, and none. So it's basically reverse automatically set. So once this is set, the journal reversal journal should be created with the reversal method of switch and debit or credit, and it should be reversed. And here you can see reversal period is next non-adjusting period. So if I try to enter my journal in the month of say November, my next non-adjusting period is December, so journal should be created in December. And in my current setup, I have a 13-month calendar wherein we have Jan to December calendar months, and 13th month is adjusting period. So if I create a accrual journal in the month of December, I'm expecting an accrual journal to be created in the next non-adjusting period, which should be Jan 2025. Okay, so this is set properly. So ideally, if I go and create a journal in the primary ledger and post it, and after that if I run my auto reversal program, I should expect the reversal of that accrual entry to be created in the next non-adjusting period, which should be December in my example. So let's see why system would not create that particular journal. So now I'm actually navigating to the primary ledger and trying to create the accrual journal in the primary ledger. Okay, so test accrual journal in primary ledger. I can put the same as the journal name, and this is my primary ledger, Reliance USD ledger, and let me select the category as accrual, and let me just pass a simple journal entry of maybe debiting an expense and crediting. Probably I just go for cash account, that does not matter. Ideally, whenever you pass an accrual entry, it will be like expense account debit and payable account credit, but it doesn't matter for our current illustration. So I'm just picking up something. So I'm just debiting a salaries expense account with probably say maybe $10,000. And credit the just a cash account. Okay, save. Okay, so this channel requires approval. That's fine. Okay, let me also log in as an approver and then approve this journal so that the journal can be posted. So let me log in as an approver. So this journal is submitted by a user FAS14.student. So I know like for this particular user, we are using a supervisor hierarchy in this Christine. Okay, let me pass my video and get the user ID and password for the Christine.Ryan. That's the manager of FAS14.student user. So let me stop recording for a minute. Okay, I logged in as the required approver and approved the journal, and I also posted. So now if I go and run the auto reversal program, ideally I should expect a reversal entry to be created in the month of December. So this is my November period and my next non-adjusting period is December. And I can also see here, if I go to show more, if you see here reversal tab, I should be able to see the reversal method and reversal period is auto populated and the current reversal state is not reversed. So that means this is an ideal or eligible journal to be reversed in my next non-adjusting period, which is December. Okay, now let me try to run the auto reversal program and see if this particular journal picks up in that auto reversal program. So in order to do that, navigate to the task run auto reverse. So in a real client environment, generally we schedule this auto reversal program, but now in this current example, let me just run it manually. Okay, so reversal period, so I'm just going to just select everything, that does not matter. Okay, cross ID ending with 764 got triggered. Now let me go to the schedule process and check if that particular process ID got completed successfully, and if so, check the output file for that. Schedule process. Ending with 764. Okay, it is completed in warning. Now let me check the output file to see why it completed in warning. I mean, this is you do not. I mean, this is different. Okay, but for the if there are any eligible journals, if it has picked out, and if there are any reason why it is not able to reverse them, ideally you should be able to see those records. But here, as far as this is concerned, it doesn't show anything. I mean, just ignore this. So this is only the description of the error codes. But as far as our eligible journal is concerned, that's not even being picked up. So we continued our research and tried to find out what went wrong. So we checked pretty much everything. We check if the period is in open or future enterable status. Yes, for both primary as well as secondary ledger, the period is in future enterable status. But one thing which we missed out is we missed out to check the log file. So if you go to the log file, we found the clue as to why it has not created the reversal entry. So if you go to the log file clearly says that primary ledger journal cannot be reversed if the unposted secondary ledger exists. So in the current example, the journal entry was not posted in secondary ledger. Again, we have certain options within your primary to second ledger mapping as to what you want system to do when you post a journal entry in primary, whether you want automatically the journal entry to be pushed in secondary and post them. So in our current case, somehow that was turned off by somebody, and hence this particular journal entry was pushed to secondary, but it was not posted in the secondary ledger. So we manually navigated to the secondary ledger, search for that particular journal, posted, and after that, when we ran your auto reversal program was able to create the reversal entry. So this is Reliance INR subledger level secondary. This is the name of my secondary ledger, which is associated with my Reliance USD primary ledger. Now let me navigate to this and search for this particular original journal which would have been pushed to secondary but was not yet posted. It is in the November period. Okay, so this is the entry which we created just now, which was posted in primary, but it was in the unposted status in the secondary ledger. Now let me open this particular journal and post this particular journal. Okay, so you can see the status is selected for posting. Probably in the next minute or so, you should be able to see the status being changed from selected for posting to processing and posted. Okay, now go back to the primary ledger, change this to primary ledger, and now try to run the auto reversal program. Run auto reversal program. So ideally now that particular journal entry should be picked up by this particular auto reversal process. Now navigate to tools, schedule process, look for our process ID which is ending with 770. It is still in the wait status. Ready, running. So this time this should be in succeeded or completed status. Yeah, now it's at completed status, which is good, or succeeded. Yeah. Now if I check for the output file, I should be able to see the details of my journal. See, I think our journal should be, yeah, I think this is our journal. So this is something else, ignore this. So this is our journal. System has actually created a reversal for this particular journal. So now let's go and search for the reversal journal. So the original journal status should have been changed from not reversed to reversed. So if I go and search for batch, contains, okay, probably it's a batch name. Okay, never mind. Let me just search for all the journals in November. Okay, and this is our journal. So now if you open this and check, now the status of this particular journal should have been in reversal status. See, it is reversed, and this is the reversal journal which system has created. Now you can open this reversal journal. And again, this reversal journal would be created in both primary and secondary. It is still in unposted. You can, yeah, so once you actually post this particular reversal entry should be created in the secondary ledger as well. So basically this is how we identify the reason as to why system was not able to create a reversal entry in the primary ledger. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle, eBase and Fusion Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.